Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with another entry to my 2K challenge slash giveaway. This is from Vanessa AngelRose. It's lucky it got here because the envelope wasn't sealed. So I hope this is all that was in here. And I think it was. Get her memory dex card. Steampunk. Awesome. And she says you can find me on all platforms as Vanessa AngelRose. Favorite colors red, blue, purple, and silver. Crafting style, shabby chic, steampunk, and mixed media, and more. That's that one. And then she also sent me an ATC with a red truck on it. And it says Hope. That's cool. And the same information. Them are cool. So them are in Vanessa AngelRoses. So cool. So let's put Vanessa. Make sure I spell her name right. Okay, let's get her ticket. Okay. All right, scissors. I will have Vanessa's channel linked in the description box below, as well as the initial video for the 2K. So if anybody sees this and they're like, what is Tina talking about? There is still time to enter. I will be picking the winner on June 5th. And that technically ends May 31st, but I gave a leeway just to if some late ones come in. Let's get the giveaway bear. Put it in there. Drop it. Boom. All right. Thank you, Vanessa. I'll show them once again. It says travel up here. Steampunk gears. Air balloon steampunk. And an air balloon. Framing going around it. It's so cool. Keys in the background. And then the little red truck. And it says Hope. And I love the truck. Oh, it's got pearls in the little wheels. Looks cool. Them are Vanessa's. So thank you, everybody that's been sending in their entries. I like going in the little box and seeing what I get or who sent in and what they make. You guys have been very creative in that, so it's cool. I want to thank each and every one of you. So like I said earlier, I will have Vanessa's channel linked in the description box below, as well as the first initial video of my 2K challenge giveaway. There is time still to enter, and I hope you will. And as always, like I say, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody.